Hyundai is on the move, gearing up 4 Ioniq 5 N EVs for the upcoming Pikes Peak International Hill Climb. The lineup includes 2 TA Spec versions, modified with extensive aero kits. These beasts are powered by a bi-motor drivetrain, boasting new software that delivers an additional 36 horsepower, taking the total output to a staggering 677 horsepower. 3-way adjustable dampers, motorsport-spec brakes, and 18-inch wheels shod with Yokohama ADVAN 005 slicks make up the impressive mechanical ensemble. Plus, the standard safety kit from the stock cars is present for added measure. Adding a twist to the electric vehicle narrative, Hyundai has modified the N active sound plus simulated engine noise system. Special speakers pump out a whopping 120 decibels, eliminating the need for the usual sirens and providing useful feedback for the drivers. Hyundai unveiled these Pikes Peak contenders at the Nürburgring in Germany, simultaneously announcing their collaboration with the creators of the Gran Turismo racing game on several projects, including a PPI-HC simulation. As the world watches, Hyundai is proving that the future of racing is electric and it's exhilarating.